Yo tol, magre-react naman tayo, mantitrip na naman tayo dito sa fucking YouTube and Facebook. Alam niyo na, marami. This motherfucking Lucom G. Huh? And how you do that, eh? Okay. Ano to, per cipher ng Cartel M. Maganda to. Okay, tingnan natin.
Cartel Cipher number 1. Wayan, wavy your nickname.
Tang ina, no? Kulit talaga nan eh. Kulit talaga nan eh, Wayan eh, no?
And Onin up in this bitch.
Use these words to your chest. Ano ngayon kung TM na lang nagte-text? They checking me out now, I don't flex. I don't need a double check cause I got eyes on my back. Cartel standing back.
Tang ina, mga gantong banatan talaga. Mga gantong banatan bagay talaga ay Wayan. Yung hindi mga ano naman, hindi naman sa ayoko yung mga banat niya ngayon, pero mas maganda yung mga ganito. Kasi ngayon parang broke na broke si Wayan, hindi katulad dito, good vibes lang siya eh, no?
The back, Luigi got the bass from the smack of Manny Pack. Nothing but a speaker and the chapstick and the fanny pack. Pass me that vibe, yeah, we'll make you feel alive.
Happy New Year, we take it back to 1995.
It's Looney Tunes when you're only waiting for a
Ina, gusto ko din gumawa ng ganyan mga type shit eh. Pero wala ngayon eh. Nagtututo pa ako. Tututo pa akong kabisado yung sarili ko. Yun lang.
happy ever after. Who these goons, how they get here, why they even bother? Who these dudes, what they got to offer? Put your hands together, parang kaharap si father. Pero alam niya na, he don't got the answer. Malamang andun lang yung kay Ja. Praying for the best dito sa ating bansa. One hand on the Bible.
Tangina si Bieber, ano? Tangina mga totoy pa, you know? Totoy pa sila, tangina, sobrang tagal na din talaga nito. 5 years pa to eh.
One hand on the Glock, kaligtasan on the block. Ooh, ooh, you not going anywhere, cause Cartel is on the loop. Ooh, ooh, deliver my taste. See me serving you with a lyrical play, triagical plays. Screaming high notes while you're starting to gaze. Walls are shaking, even the bass. My eyes seeing the waves, energy lifted like I got out of the cave. Put me in the jungle naked, going back in the dead, lying on my head. Ooh, flowers and trees became the guide, knowing what's the path, yet still I'm blind. Party that the trouble behind, coming at me to attack. But remember that the waves never look back. Screw the system.
Ito ay magaganda talaga ng mga dati nila eh. Nakakamiss lang talaga eh, no?
We came to hack. Once I snap, I'ma slice you up with this attack. Go dog, dog, dogging, but put your hands up. We blowing up, gonna go boom. Cartel mixtape coming soon.
Ito na, pag ganon. Sorry, naputol eh. Sige, move na tayo.
Cartel, next day, coming soon. Coming soon.
Coming soon.
Tag mo sa video yung mama mo. Sama mo na, pati yung papa mo.
Sama mo na, din yung tito mo.
Ha? 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 Bak Onin!
Round for the gram in the nick of time. Watch me burn the nicotine, feeling hella fine. Would you mind? Smoke a cushion, then we make a couple dimes. Not a crime, this the street cats banging on your
CR ko
door.
ba to?
Shot on that cipher with a mind full of guns. Be shot with a rifle. Wiser than the preacher that's making you learn the Bible. Higher entities coming, then we fuck your idol. This faction I'm ready to die for. Motherfuckers will die for this goal. Erase this supremacist rigs, trap it is called. Oh Lord, forgive me for the bodies and stuff.
Ganda rin talaga ng boses nito eh, no? Yung parang yung pang ibang bansa. Yung parang kagaya ng Kandabigi, mga ganun, tol. Yung mga ano, basta pang ibang ano siya.
Oh, we gon' hit rip till we get lit, get high when I'm bored. What you signed for, what you signed for. Try to hit us, now you stifle, now you stifle. Now we're coming for the title, for the title. It's a purge, motherfucker.
Fight for your survival.
10 bullets in the Glock, and we bout to pull the trigger, bang all the way up. With my golden elevators, mate, you must know that ain't nobody's gonna take enough. No one's going down, cause we do it other way around. But more waffles in the ground, even though we're so profound. And just
Tibay
having
talaga
on the
nitong
sound
grupong
waves,
totoo.
but we made a love fresh from the underground, yes, from the underground, from the underground. Up, mapatrap, mapaboom bap, basta hip hop, ain't nobody can stop us. Plus, figures from the top just signed up, so all you need to do is wait for us to blow up like a butterfly out of the cocoon. We gonna fly you to the moon. Mixtape is coming soon, yeah. Tape is coming soon. Tell them once, tell them twice. Tape is coming soon. Tell them once, tell them twice. Tape is coming soon. Tape is coming soon.
Coming soon. Mixtape.
Tangina, tibay talaga tol. Tangina, wala talagang tatalo sa Cartel M ng mga grupo. Tangina, dati wala namang gumagawa ng mga ganyan eh, no? Tanging sila lang eh.
Coming soon. Mixtape. Mixtape. Coming
Ito pa ito
soon.
kakulitan ni Wayan eh.
Ang mama mo. Inang mo na rin. Pati yun. Yung papa mo.
Itag mo na.
Shoutouts Lance Noy, motherfucker.
Shoutouts kay Kanye West. Shoutout kay Luigi. Naggawa ng beat, man. Yan lang.
Shoutout sa mama ko.
Hoy, Yorko, putang ina mo.
So, ano, may pa-upload pa eh, no? At yun, tol. Yung lang nilalaman ng Site 1 ng Cartel M. At kung may mga gusto pa kayo panood sa akin, basta lalabas ko ngayon puro classic lang i-re ako ngayon eh. Saka na yung mga modern natin ngayon. Gusto ko mga classic muna, gusto kong balikan yung mga dating mga shit ng mga hip hop nun eh. Mga panahon totoy pa talaga ako nun eh. Nung wala pa talaga akong alam sa hip hop, tayo naglalaro pa ako ng Holland. Yun, tangina isa na to, Cartel M. Tayo super solid. Wala pa kasi Kai, no? Isa pa rin makulit eh. Nagsama-sama yung mga kulitin. Alam niyo na, yun lang. Next video na tayo. Abangan nyo. And yo, salamat. Salamat sa si Motherfucking Lukom G.